Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, IAF backs Astra. Home ground missile wins over Israeli Derby in fighter jet upgrade. The Indian Air Force has made a strategic shift in its air-to-air missile program, prioritizing the integration of domestically developed Astra Mk1 and Mk2 missiles over the Israeli 1 Derby ERBV rams. IAF had initially planned to equip 1 Derby ERBV rams on Su-30 Mki, Mk1A and Mk2 fleet, but that has been dropped now to support local air-to-air missile. Next, IAF likely to seek low-cost air-to-air missile to counter drone threats. The Indian Air Force is actively exploring the development and procurement of low-cost air-to-air missile systems. This initiative is driven by the growing prevalence of inexpensive aerial threats like drones, loitering munitions, subsonic cruise missiles, and rockets. Next, Uttam Aisa radar for Tejas Mk1A to receive. HAL is gearing up to equip the LCA Tejas Mk1A fighter jets with the indigenously developed Uttam Aisa fire control radar. While orders for the Tejas Mk1A are expected to be placed later this year, the actual integration of the Uttam radar will begin from the 41st aircraft onward, with deliveries starting in 2026. The initial 40 jets will utilize the Israelis Alta ELM-2052 Aisa radar. Next, Army gets anti-drone system with hard kill system. Zen Technologies has announced a significant achievement in enhancing India's defense capabilities with the successful delivery of its innovative Zen anti-drone systems with hard kill to the Army Air Defence College in Gopalpur, Odisha. This marks a pivotal moment in the country's effort to counter emerging drone threats and safeguard its airspace. Next, why smaller passenger jets could be India's best bet as mail platform contenders. India, with its vast territorial borders and diverse security needs, is constantly looking for innovative and cost-effective solutions for its military. One such area of exploration lies in medium-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned aerial vehicles. Traditionally, mail platforms have been specialized military drones, often expensive and complex to operate. However, a compelling case can be made for exploring the use of modified small passenger jets for this role. Next, Ajit Doval reappointed as National Security Advisor. The government on Tuesday reappointed former IPS officer Ajit Doval as the National Security Advisor according to an official order. His appointment will be co-terminus with the term of Prime Minister Narendra Modi or until further orders, it said. The Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has approved the appointment of Ajit Doval, IPS, retired, as National Security Advisor with effect from 10th June, said the order issued by Personnel Ministry. Thank you.